Hi, I'm Grace, and this is
Karina. We're playing Strive to Derive. So our materials here, we've got a sticky note, pencil, some gummies, or whatever you want to snack on while you do this. We got dice, paper, then more of what we already have. So first, Grace is gonna roll.
So I'm going to roll one at a time, and I'm going to roll the first one to do our length. So I got 2, so our area is going to be 2 by, for both of our areas, 1. So our area will be 2 by 1 for the first one, and 2 by 2 for the second one. So Karina's just gonna build 2 by 1 and 2 by 2. Okay, Karina.
All right, so can you move that pencil, please? All right, so now we're just gonna write this out. So 2 by 1, 2 times 1, plus 2 times 2. So 2 by 1, that's gonna equal 2, plus 4, which in the end, you'll get 6.